In 2025, TalkTalk TV boxes work differently than traditional TV systems. They use what's called a hybrid approach to deliver channels to your television. Here's what a modern TalkTalk TV box looks like. This small device is the heart of your TV experience, but it gets its channels from two completely different sources. The hybrid system means your box receives channels through two different paths. First, there's the traditional aerial connection that brings you Freeview channels through the air. Second, there's the internet connection that delivers premium channels and streaming content directly through your broadband. This is called IPTV, or Internet Protocol Television. When your TalkTalk TV box can't find channels, the problem usually comes from one of these two signal paths. Let's look at the most common causes. First, weak aerial signals can cause problems with Freeview channels. This might happen due to weather, damaged cables, or interference from nearby electronics. Second, incorrect channel scanning settings can prevent your box from finding all available channels. Many people only do quick scans instead of full scans. Third, broadband connection problems can affect your IPTV channels. Slow internet speeds or connection drops will cause streaming channels to disappear or buffer constantly. TalkTalk is moving away from traditional TV towards a streaming-first approach. New installations in 2025 prioritize internet delivery over aerial connections. The key to avoiding channel issues is making sure your box is properly set up to receive both terrestrial and network channels. This requires performing a full scan that checks both signal sources, not just a quick scan. The first and most effective method is performing an automatic retune. This resolves channel issues in about 65% of cases and should always be your starting point. Navigate to Settings, then Channel Setup, and select Auto Retune. Make sure to choose Full Scan rather than Quick Scan for the most thorough channel detection. Ensure both terrestrial and network options are enabled. This allows your box to scan for both aerial channels and internet-delivered premium channels. The process takes 15 to 20 minutes. If automatic retuning doesn't work, try a manual frequency scan. This method is particularly effective in areas with weak signal strength and has a 78% success rate. Go to Settings, then Advanced, and select Manual Tuning. You'll need to input your local transmitter frequencies, which you can find on the Ofcom database website. This method works well for weak signal areas because you can target specific frequencies and adjust signal strength for each channel individually. For persistent issues, a factory reset followed by a complete rescan is the most effective solution with an 89% success rate. However, this will erase all your settings and recordings. First, back up any important recordings if possible. Then navigate to Settings, System, and select Reset. After the reset, complete the initial setup wizard and allow a full channel scan. Don't forget to check your physical connections. Damaged or corroded cables are a common cause of channel reception problems. Inspect aerial connections for corrosion or damage. Check that cables are securely connected and not bent or crushed. Test signal strength at the wall socket. It should exceed 45 decibels microvolts. Finally, ensure your broadband connection meets the minimum speed requirements. You need at least 10 megabits per second for HD streaming and 25 megabits per second for 4K content.